What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to switch profile in the Firefox. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you are the user of the Google Chrome, you might have experienced the feel when you use that Google Chrome. And in the case that you can try to switch the profile, you can actually switch it easily, but make sure that you have already signed in with your email, and usually the name in the sign in will be transformed into the initial of your first name in the Google account or the email account. And for example, this is the condition when I have not signed in my Firefox. However, if I would like to jump into the another profile or switch into the another profile, then here I will show you how. The first step, I will start to create the another profile, for example, over here, and I will click the new profile, for example. Let's say I will type personal, and I will choose the color to be cyan and click done editing. And basically, if you would like to sign in or switch into the profile, when you use the Google Chrome, they will not change into the new window. However, if you would like to do the switch into the another account, so in this Firefox, it will have the different way, which is it will jump into the different windows like this, guys. And after that, you can continue to do the sign in and put your email over here and also the password. So that might be the different experience when you use this Google Chrome and also the Firefox. Which one do you prefer? So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Firefox to create and also switch the profile. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.